I found that nothing in life is worthwhile unless you take risks. Nothing.
Hey, no, we got. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this video. Now I just want to do a quick introduction video. Just me introducing myself and why I create this YouTube channel. Now, my name is Shawn, the face and the creator of Success Pill, and the reason why I create this channel is because I see a challenge going around. Young entrepreneur challenging themselves to become a millionaire within 5 years. 5 years or more, probably less. But I'm challenging myself 5 to 6 years and see if I can achieve that 7-figure, right?
Here's your check, SpongeBob.
Come on, who doesn't want to become a millionaire? I don't know. So there it is. Everyone wants to become a millionaire. Everyone can support for their family and support themselves, live a luxury lifestyle. I want that. So I'm challenging myself to come out of my comfort zone and to achieve those goals. And I want you guys to join me on the journey as well.
If you stay in your comfort zone, that's where you will fail. You will fail in your comfort zone. Success is not a comfortable procedure. It is a very uncomfortable thing to attempt. So you got to get comfortable being uncomfortable if you ever want to be successful.
So basically, I'm using this channel to document my journey, to share my experience as well, and to build a community, like-minded person just like me and you, right? So we can both learn from each other and reach our goals. So that is why I create this YouTube channel. So if any of those interest you, make sure to do the right thing. What is the right thing? Good question. Subscribe, like, and comment down below. Welcome to YouTube. And till then, keep safe, keep hustling. I'm out. Have a blessed day.